Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen, your trusted space for simple, healthy, and nutritious baby food ideas. In today's video, we're sharing the day to meal plan for a 9-month-old baby, including breakfast, snacks, lunch, and dinner. All recipes are gentle, easy to digest, and made with whole, natural ingredients. If you enjoy baby meal plans, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, because it helps this channel reach more parents looking for healthy ideas for their little ones. Let's begin with today's morning meal. For breakfast, we're making a nourishing Teff and date porridge, served with soft papaya mash. Ingredients: 20 grams Teff flour, 80 milliliters water, 0.10 grams soaked and mashed dates, 40 grams. Mashed papaya. Start by cooking the Teff flour with water on low heat until it turns into a smooth porridge. Teff is naturally rich in iron and helps support healthy blood development. Next, stir in the mashed dates. Dates add natural sweetness, extra energy, and fiber. Serve the porridge warm with mashed papaya on the side. Papaya is an excellent source of vitamin A, great for digestion and immunity. You can store this breakfast for up to 48 hours in the fridge and up to 1 month in the freezer. For the first snack, steam about 30 grams of apple until it becomes very soft. Cut into baby-safe sticks and let it cool. This snack encourages self-feeding while providing natural sweetness, vitamin C, and fiber. Lunch: chicken, zucchini, and potato mash. For lunch, we're preparing a balanced and filling chicken, zucchini, and potato mash. Ingredients: to 5 grams chicken breast, 30 grams zucchini, 30 grams potato, 5 milliliters olive oil. Steam the chicken, zucchini, and potato together until fully soft. Then mash them into a smooth or slightly textured consistency depending on your baby's eating stage. Finish with a small drizzle of olive oil for healthy fats that support brain development. This meal is rich in protein, potassium, and vitamin C, making it perfect for growing babies learning to eat more variety. Store leftovers for 48 hours in the fridge or 1 month in the freezer. Yogurt and banana mash. For this second snack, combine 40 grams plain yogurt, 20 grams mashed banana. Yogurt provides calcium, healthy fats, and gut-friendly probiotics. Banana adds natural sweetness and helps keep your baby full and energized. This snack is smooth, creamy, and perfect for late afternoon. Make sure like and subscribe. DINNER lentil and pumpkin mash. For dinner, we're making a gentle, nutrient-packed lentil and pumpkin mash. Ingredients: to 5 grams red lentils, 40 grams pumpkin, 10 grams onion, 5 milliliters olive oil. Cook the red lentils together with pumpkin and onion until everything becomes soft and easy to mash. Blend or mash it into the right texture for your baby. Add a small amount of olive oil at the end for extra smoothness and essential fats. This dinner is rich in iron, beta-carotene, and fiber, perfect for supporting healthy development, digestion, and immunity. That completes Day 2 of the 9-month baby meal plan. Each recipe is designed to give your baby the right balance of nutrition, while helping them explore new textures and flavors. Make sure to offer small amounts. Follow your baby's hunger and fullness cues, and always supervise during eating. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with other parents. Your support helps Little Bites Kitchen continue creating high-quality, nutritious baby meal ideas for every stage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in Day 3 of the baby meal plan. Have a beautiful day.